What's up guys, Trader Smokey here, and I'm quickly going to explain why I longed Bitcoin on this dip and why I'm looking to add. First off, here's the high time frame context. We have weekly support around 9,532 and daily support around 9,465, so right below the low time frame range we've been in the last couple hours. And in my opinion, we have an attractive high time frame target around 10,558, these equal highs here. I was looking for a long opportunity anyway, and I looked at high time frame support below this range, confluent with a bullish trend line. Recency could have made me not take the setup, of course, since an entry at my long target would evidently break below this range we've been in the last couple hours, which should have been bearish, but I was speculating on it becoming a deviation. This is also why I didn't enter full size and am looking to add to this long position now that this deviation has been confirmed. Now that we have deviated to the downside of this range and closed back within, I'm looking for acceptance and then a move towards the highs and potentially towards 10,558, which is, once again, in my opinion, a very attractive high time frame target for long positions.